We just heard back from one of our happy customers in the form of a 5-star review, and we wanted to share it with the world. This is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers.
Unbelievable experience. Mark Martin, the owner, is top-notch. Ex-police officer, very knowledgeable and hands-on. Met with my adjuster and ensured they purchased my roof, among other things. He totally installed a new roof and painted my exterior and stained my deck, all for well under what I was expecting. He also did not charge me a penny until the work was 100% completed. I can't say enough about the company or this guy. Definitely recommend. I have no affiliation with him. He cold called me after the bad June storm. Hope this is helpful. A lot of sketchy roofers out there. Give TMP Roofing a call.
So whether you are somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the Internet today. We look forward to talking to you.